Learn how to make soft chapatis with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi using Irish potatoes. That means today I'm going to show you how to make a Irish potato chapati. So whoever is watching, please don't learn alone. After watching this video, share. So like the video. After liking the video, if you are a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for daily recipes. Remember, this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. So we are going to first boil the Irish in salt and water. So boil the Irish in salt and water. So when the Irish is ready, we are going to strain it. So you remove all the water from the Irish. Then after, we are going to apply it in the blender. Then apply milk, cold milk or water. Then apply grated ginger. Then blend until smoothie. Then after, we are going to apply it in the bowl. We are going to add it in the bowl. So add your mixture, your Irish mixture in the bowl. Remember, if you don't use milk, you can use water. Then apply salt. Apply salt to taste. Then after applying salt, you are going to mix a little bit. Then you can divide the mixture. Then after, you are going to apply grated carrots and grated onions. Apply grated carrots and grated onions. Then you are going to mix again. Then apply an egg and cooking oil. Then you are going to mix again. Apply an egg and cooking oil. Then after mixing, at this point, we are going to apply our wheat flour. Apply your wheat flour at this moment. Apply wheat flour and knead until you see that everything has mixed. Then when you see that everything has mixed, we are going to apply unsalted butter or prestige margarine or Blue Band, anything you have. You apply 1 tablespoon. Knead again until you see that it's ready and it's not sticking. Then apply some little wheat flour. Then finish off with some cooking oil. After applying cooking oil, then you are going to rest it. Finish off with cooking oil. Then you are going to rest it. Leave it rest for 10 to 20 minutes, just to become a little bit more soft. Then make sure that your pan is on fire. Make sure that your pan is on fire. So after those minutes, you are going to make into even balls. After making into even balls, you are going to start rolling. Remember, this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. If you want to train cookery, bakery, barista, and pastries, you can come and join Super Kitchen School in short courses and full courses. We are fully registered ministry. If you come from far, we offer accommodation. Then start rolling. Then oil your pan. Make sure that your pan is hot. Oil your pan. Then burn your chapati the first side. Then you turn the second side. Then bring back the second side. It's where you apply oil. Then apply cooking oil. Then cook your chapati until golden brown. So apply cooking oil. Then after, you apply the last part. Remember, this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. I sign out.